Today we will gonna tour those pancakes art countries. Alright, so let's get started. 1. Turkey. 2. Germany. 3. The United Kingdom. 4. The United States. Alright, so this is the 4 countries. 5. Russia. 6. Poland. 7. Italy. 8. France. So this is tell the 4 countries. 9. My hometown country Thailand. 10. Vietnam. 11. Indonesia. 12. Philippines. So, alright, so this is the 4 countries. The last 13. India. 14. Brazil. 15. South Korea. And last but not least, Malaysia. 16 is Malaysia. So, can you comment me what country are you in? And what country that you born, or what is your favorite country, or what that is your hometown country? So bye bye, see you next